Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be my top ways of growing on YouTube, things that I personally use. I know I'm not the biggest YouTuber, but I know how this works, and I'm going to tell you guys all of the, not secrets, but all the things you need to know to grow your channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first tip is going to be see what videos of yours do the best and make more content revolving around that main idea. So like my Photopea basics did really good, so I put out an in-depth guide and then I updated that guide and did it another time. So you just want to basically work off that video and kind of milk it, but not too much. You don't want to completely milk it dry because at that point it's too much and people aren't going to like it. So I think I'm done with the Photopea basics until I can update it next year. So let's say like my Roblox videos do really good, my tutorials on that. So I make more of those than let's say Call of Duty because they don't do as well. So it's what your viewer wants to see basically. The next one is to check your analytics for the times of day your subs are most active and upload your videos at that time. So you can see here at 12 or actually 10 a.m. throughout the whole week usually does good, but especially on Wednesdays. So try uploading your videos around whatever time they are most active. You don't want to upload it on like Sunday at 1 a.m. because no one's going to watch that. So do it in these dark spots and you should be good. The next tip is ask your viewers what they want to see. Be interactive with them, respond to all of your comments, and don't feel bad to ask them to subscribe and like at the end of every video, because sometimes that could be the deciding factor if they actually do it. It might, maybe they were thinking about it and just you saying it kind of pushed them to do it. But that's probably my next tip, and that one's really helpful as well. And also the viewers appreciate it when you respond to all comments. I try my best to get to all of them, but there's a certain point where you just can't respond to all of them when you're busy and stuff like that. But don't worry about it. Just try your best. The next tip is to add an end screen to every video. It looks like this, and it has, in my case, it has my channel and Photopea tutorials because they do the best. So I just give them a playlist so they can go through all of them rather than just one video. So you can really maximize the amount of videos that are being pushed out to your viewers and maybe people that don't watch you all the time. So the next one I have to say is adding cards to your videos. So what that looks like is it like pops down a little eye like this right here, and I shouted out my friend. So you can either put videos. So if right here I'm going to show you guys how to make a glowing like rectangle or something, right? Then I will link a video to like glowing text or something related to this video so people will want to go see it. I hope that makes sense, but if it doesn't, leave down a comment down below and I'll try to respond to it. My next tip is to add playlists for your content to sort it out. So I have Photopea tutorials, my music, Photoshop, templates. So it's a place people can go if they're just trying to find specific videos. It's really helpful to them and to you as well when you're trying to go through your videos. So that's definitely an important one. My next tip is to customize your channel so it looks like this and organized. So you just want to go to the little cog and say customize my channel right here. And then you can adjust everything here. You can add links, which I'll show you. So I have a Patreon link right here. And so on my channel, people can see this. So I just go down here to custom links and I add one, and then I just add in the link and then whatever I wanted to say. And also you can sort these. So I put my top videos at the bottom, playlists, and then just my recent uploads. So this is very important as well, so it's easy to get around your channel. My next tip is to add tags to all of your videos. So just put keywords that represent your video. I just put a bunch of like banner tutorial, minimalist banner, tutorial free. These are keywords that people will be searching on YouTube. So this will help YouTube push out your video to more people. And tags are very important, so keep that in mind. The next one is you want to have appealing thumbnails. So try to make it really stand out, and you don't want all your thumbnails to look the same because that's not going to separate that specific video from your others. You want it to really stand out, get the point across, have keywords in the thumbnail as well. Like I have blur tool. I just shortened my title essentially, and you can see that they're pretty appealing, at least to me, and I think they look pretty cool. My next tip is to upload consistently. It doesn't have to be every day, but it needs to be structured so that I know when your next upload is going to be. I'm not very great at this, but this is also a pretty important thing that I should do more. It's just I'm busy, so I can't exactly do that. But if you aren't busy, make some kind of schedule for your videos and you'll do a lot better. The next tip is to get a good mic. So this isn't like essential, but it's pretty important to have good audio because no one's going to want to listen to a dishwasher the entire video. They're going to want to hear a nice voice, and you don't have to spend a ton of money to get a decent mic. You can spend like $50 and get a mic that sounds pretty good. Like mine was only $60. Like it's not bad at all. So if your audio is that bad, it's a make or break for if they're going to stay on your channel. So that's probably one of the most important things I can say to look out for. The next one is do giveaways when you reach certain milestones to get like a temporary boost in subscribers or views. This isn't required, but it is a good way to just boost up your views for a little bit and bring some new people into the channel. The next one is to have some kind of social media so people can be in touch with you, and it's just more interactive with your viewers. So I think that's an important one as well. Another one I really recommend is liking, commenting, and pinning and hearting all the comments. Not every single one, but just try to do it with a lot of the comments because a lot of viewers appreciate that when you like heart their comment or reply, whatever. That's very important. You really want to be interactive with your viewers. That's like the number one tip I can tell you, because if you're not interactive with your viewers, then they're not going to want to stick around. So that's very important. Now this one isn't really to grow your viewers, but it makes it a lot easier to respond to people. So the YouTube Studio app has like all the analytics. You can get notifications from comments instantly, and that's how I respond so fast. It's a super good app. I really recommend it. I'm sure it's on the Apple Play or the what is it called? The App Store and the Play Store for Android, but it's a super awesome app and helps a lot. So I would definitely recommend that. Another one is doing collabs with other people, because basically your viewers can be shared with each other. So they'll go check out the other channel while the other people will check out their channel. It's a good way to gain some viewers and meet new people. So those are all the tips I have for this video. I really do hope this helps you guys, and you guys let me know after trying it for like a month and see the difference in your channel growth. If it doesn't work, I'm sorry, but these are my tips and they've been working pretty good. So thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.